Here's how to slice text in Canva in just a few easy steps. First, choose your template and set your background color. Now, I'll add a sample text. Feel free to style yours however you like. On the left panel, go to Elements and select the square shape. Change its color to match your background exactly. Resize it into a thin line and position it over the part of the text you want to slice. Repeat as needed. And just like that, you've just created a sliced text effect with a clean, modern look. If this video helped simplify your design process, give it a like to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.